Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Power Sports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Kawasaki Versys 650. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Kawasaki Versys with 8,778 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with SW Motec engine guards, Barkbuster handguards, and a Pro Grip tank pad. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine, the Versys puts 69 horsepower and 49 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Versys has a 220 to 260 mile range. It has a 33.1-inch seat height and a 476-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the handguard and bar end, and blemishes on the passenger seat. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Power Sports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and power sport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.